The KM7540W is a compact vacuum sweeper with traction drive for professional operators. Available with petrol or battery drive, easy to operate, robust, and built to last. The KM7540W has a powerful Honda engine or maintenance-free, long-life batteries for long work intervals. All control elements are clearly visible and easy to reach. Side brush control, bypass for sweeping on wet surfaces, start and control switch, and filter cleaning system for dust-free working. All operator control elements are yellow. Grey elements are for service. The main roller brush can be changed in seconds thanks to the quick change system. The KM7540W can be quickly and easily fitted with a different roller brush, hard, soft, or anti-static. The operator-friendly waste container with trolley handle, wheels and recessed handles makes emptying easy. The rounded design ensures that no dirt remains behind when the container is emptied. The filter and highly effective scraper are accessible without tools. The filter can be removed easily from the clean side. The fold-down push handle for space-saving storage, easy push concept and caster with brake make the KM7540W convenient to use. The shape of the push handle makes it easy to move away from walls. For maximum productivity, optimal cleaning results and extra long work intervals, the KM7540W uses the throw-over principle. This ensures that the waste container can be filled to capacity. The KM7540W also has a coarse dirt flap for picking up larger objects up to 50 mm without stopping. The mechanical components, oil level gauge, main sweeper roller adjustment and side brush adjustment are arranged easily accessible and service-friendly under the hood. The carpet cleaning kit includes an anti-static roller brush, fluff filter and triple steering roller to reduce the contact pressure of the wheels on carpets. Large carpeted areas can be cleaned quickly, quietly and effectively. Easy handling, perfect sweeping results and high efficiency. Attributes that make the KM7540W different.